Hi everyone, welcome to the next module. In the next module, you'll have quiz over chapters 7, 8, and 9 in My Econ Lab. You'll have homework assignments in My Econ Lab over 7, 8, and 9. I've included some and you have the media assignment as well right here. I've included some interesting videos for you, so you can review these videos. Any of them help you with some of the various course concepts. If you need help with any other ones, or if you need additional resources, please let me know as well. But let's look at some of the things we're looking at this week. And the first thing we're looking at this week is monopolies. Monopolies are looking at firms that are the sole producer of a good or service. So a monopoly is selling one single firm in the market. And given that there's one single firm in the market, monopolies are able to influence the market price because of the large market power that they have. Monopolies are facing very high barriers to entry and exit in the market, and these high barriers to entry and exit creates a lot of challenges. And what the challenges it creates is it creates a deadlock in terms of other firms entering the market, and that's a very big challenge. You'll notice that there's a couple types of monopolies. A monopoly can have an exclusive right to produce as a natural monopoly, for example, like your utility company. They can also have a patent, which gives them the exclusive right to produce as well. When you look at monopoly, you'll notice that the monopoly curve, the demand and marginal revenue curve, are not going to be equal to each other like they were in other markets. And the reason why this exists is for a monopoly to sell an additional product, they would have to lower its price. So each time they lower the price, they're going to get less and less compared to what they received. Now the challenge we're facing with monopolies is monopolies are classified as a price searcher or price maker. And what that means is monopolies are able to price the product according to what they would like to sell it at. And you notice we have to focus on the output decisions of monopoly. And we look at the output decision of monopolies, it's very important to notice that the marginal revenue equals marginal cost principle is held intact. Now, this principle is very important because when you look at where marginal revenue equals marginal cost in this graph, it's right here at point A, you're going to draw a line straight up, and where it hits the demand curve right here is the price that they're going to charge. Where it hits the average total cost curve is the cost to produce. So a cost is $15 to make the good and $8 to produce the good. So now that would be a $7 per unit profit, and if you times that by $900, you'll have about $5,600. That's how you're going to find the profit. You always first find where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. That's the first basis that you look at. And when you do this, you're going to focus on the demand, where it hits the demand curve, and where it hits the average cost. But there's a lot of different characteristics that you want to focus on. And when we focus on these characteristics, that's key to the market structures. If you want additional resources, you can also go to YouTube and put in AC/DC and monopolies, and you'll find a guy that will be able to further show different structures of the monopoly market structure as well. But if you have any questions, please let me know, but I look forward to your effort.